Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make project number 4 using the Hearts for You January 2025 paper pumpkin kit. So first thing I need to do, I'm just going to pop this on here so you can see it, is I'm going to stamp my greeting on the banner. So I'm just going to pop some Versamark on there first, and then we're going to bring this in, we're going to ink it up. Make sure we've got really good coverage. And there we go. And then we're going to stamp this down like that. Oops. There we go. Nice. Okay. And that's my card. So that's my card front. What I need to do now is I need to take this piece here, looks like a playing card almost, and we're going to put dimensionals on it. So 1 in each corner and 1 in the middle. There you go. And I didn't mention it when I unboxed the kit, but with your very first kit, you get the acrylic block that you mount your stamps on. And then you just reuse it in the rest of your kits. You don't need to, you don't get a block in each kit. You just need to hold on to it and use it in the next one. So this goes right smack dab in the middle. And then we need to get creative with this one because we have to cut some of the dimensionals in half. So it says, sorry, I need to pull this up closer. I need 3 whole dimensionals. 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. And then I need some halves. So I'm just going to come up the side of my sheet and just trim some of the edges out rather than cutting any of the dimensionals in half. You absolutely can cut the dimensionals in half if you want to. Okay, and then I need to take one of these and I need to pop it up here like that. And then I need 1 down on this heart here like this. And that looks like it. Okay, so now we're going to peel these off and mount it up, and then we're going to add our greeting, which we use adhesive dots for. Okay, so this lays right over top of our heart here like this. And there we go. So it lifts up, dimensionalized up. Okay, let's grab our adhesive dots, and we're going to put 2 on like this. Okay, and we're going to peel those off. Oh, got it with my fingernail that time. And there we go. Okay, and then this goes right across the base here like this. And then we're going to take some of our heart bling and we're going to put 1 here like this. Come on, there we go. 1 like that, and then 1 in that direction and 1 in that direction. So we go. That is the 3rd project, but on this one they want us to show the envelope, and on our champagne sticker sheet there are 9 insides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and these are the pieces that you can peel up. And I think they're not layered, like there's not a piece you can cut out on these ones, I don't think. No, but you just peel your label off and you can stick it down just like that. So that's how the envelopes work. So thank you so much for watching, and we're going to do 1 alternate right after this and then 1 alternate card each day this week. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.